I think I think slightly, almost by accident, said the actual truth. You'll die. What happens is one part of the ego dies. One part of the lower self that's getting in your way of being your true self falls to the wayside. And it fights like mad to not let go because it's controlled you for so long and doesn't want to let you be free. So that's why I believe that's why it's so hard. But when someone breaks free, it's an enormous moment that releases energy into your own being and into the whole universe.